Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an Italian sausage spinach pie, and we hope you enjoy it. We start this dish with 10 ounces of spinach, 1 pound of Italian sausage, 16 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 6 eggs, 1 medium onion, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. In a medium saucepan, we are browning our sausage and our onions together. We want the sausage to be almost cooked fully. We want a little bit of pinkness, but not much. The onions, they'll be somewhat translucent, and that is perfect for us. Bowl, we're going to mix our ricotta cheese, our eggs, and our spinach. And this is 15 ounces, so what we're going to do is use a little over a half. We're going to add our eggs now. We're adding 5 eggs and the yolk of the 6th egg. Now our 6th egg, we're going to save the yolk for the pastry at the ends. Put 1 egg yolk aside to brush the top of our top pastry when we assemble everything. So right now we've got our egg and our ricotta cheese in there. We're going to add our mozzarella. And we're just going to start mixing this up. Now we'll add in our pepper and our garlic. Next we're going to add in our spinach, and we're just going to do a handful at a time. Now we're ready for our sausage and onion mixture to add into this, and then we'll be ready to fill it into the pie crust. So everything's done. What we're going to do is we're going to incorporate our sausage and onion into our spinach mixture here. And all we're doing is incorporating all the ingredients together. Small bowl we're going to take, and we're going to beat our egg, and I've added just a touch of water, which is not in the recipe, and we're going to brush this on top of our pastry before we put it in. Let's put this off to the side. In our pie pan, I have put in a pie crust. We're going to fill the whole pie pan and crust with our mixture. We need to preheat our microwave convection oven. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on bake, go back twice for manual convection bake, select. We're going to select it at 350. Select, we open the door and then start. Now this will preheat your oven. And if you're using a conventional oven, you can do the same exact recipe at 375. Okay, we're just about there. Now that our pie plate is full, what we're going to do is we're going to add the top crust. And I've pre-made this crust. And we want it to be kind of rustic. We don't want a perfect pie looking pastry. So I'm just kind of pressing it down. And I'm going to roll over the edges. Alright, this is what it will look like before it goes in. Now we're going to take our egg yolk and water mixture and we're just going to brush the egg yolk across the top. One of the things you want to do before you put this into the microwave convection oven is you want to cut some slits into the top to allow the steam to come out. Alright, I think we've got just enough. And now all we're waiting for is the microwave convection oven to start beeping. Microwave convection oven telling me it's time to put our pie in there, so let's do it. Push start and we're off. Now we're going to cook this for 50 minutes in the microwave convection oven. It is on 350. Conventional oven will be 375 for 50 minutes also. Alright, we'll see you in a few. Alright, now we're taking our Italian sausage spinach pie out. It's been an hour. And here you go. You have a nice golden crust and you have a delicious meal. We're going to let this rest for about 10 minutes and then we'll cut into it and taste it. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.